Not first.
Yeah, today we'll be looking at a Docker Hub account creation or sign into the Docker Hub account and building a Docker image from EC2 machine and pushing to the Docker registry. And then again pulling from the Docker registry and deploying the containers in EC2.
Okay, got it, sir.
Okay. Hope hope you have done it in the last class.
Um, Last class in the sense like last batch, sir.
Yeah.
No, I was not that, sir. I was like Terraform itself. I was not in between. I left.
Okay. Sure, sure. Okay.
Okay, sir. And then now I'm accessing Docker Hub account.
Okay.
So uh, continuing with Google. Yes, sir. Just logged in now.
Okay. You can use one of your Google account to sign up.
Mhm.
You may need to create a username for you to log into the particular account. You have to note down the username and password. Can you
Got
go
it,
to
sir.
my profile, account
My
settings?
profile.
Yeah. Is there a password for this? Can
No
you set the
password. I'm putting here on password. I can see it.
yeah? Is that the password that you set?
No, it was its own password taken. So I can reset password.
Okay. Can you do one thing? Can you do a Docker login from? Can you go to the Git Bash, do a Docker login from there?
Okay, it sent the reset password so here.
Okay.
1 minute. Let me first look into that one. Okay. Sanket, congratulations, you have been signed up. So it's set password link. Back to Docker Pro. This is also expired. Okay, this is the password. So I'm giving the password now.
This is not so critical. You can give a easy password.
Okay.
Whatever you can remember, that's okay. For now, it's okay. You
Mhm.
can save this password somewhere.
Yes, sir. I have saved it in my notebook.
Okay, sure. Do one thing, go to Git Bash,
Okay.
type Docker login. Can you increase the font size? No, no, simply
Checking.
right click. It's okay. I mean, I can zoom it a little and then say it. It's okay, fine. You can
Okay.
do a Docker login.
Yes, sir. Let me increase also, sir. Font.
In the text option, change select. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So now I should type Docker login. Is it together, sir?
No. Correct. The way you typed is correct. Yeah, it's a Docker space login.
Okay.
So you need to enter the username that you gave and the password. Okay. No. Okay. From your AWS machine. Easy to machine.
Okay, easy to machine. Mm, so direct login.sh. My machine is off, sir. I will bring it up. Start. Okay, it's logged in, sir. I'm typing here Docker login. It's asking the username and password. I'm providing the username. Password. So login is succeeded. Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Great. So now you can do a Docker pull, Docker push from your registry instead of doing
Mhm.
it your public Docker hub. What
Okay.
you can build a new Docker image and then you push it to your Docker registry. Can you go to the
Okay.
Docker hub and then look at your registry details?
I should go to here.
Docker hub, yeah, and then find out your yeah, go there.
Okay. Second, asking username.
Hmm.
Sanket. is-
It's there, it is there, right? I can just choose it.
Okay, sir. Password.
You can save the password. It is your local, your personal laptop, right?
Yes, sir. I can save it. So now I have to check the registry right now, sir.
Yeah,
Where I can do that one, sir.
yeah, Docker hub.
Okay. Docker Hub.
Uh,
Create a registry is there.
yeah, create a registry. Yeah, you can say DevOps dash Nginx. Simply say Nginx.
Engine X.
Nginx. Nginx. Nginx.
INX.
Yeah.
So it is on public now.
Yeah, make it as public for now. And
Mhm. Create.
Yeah, create. Okay. Can you copy that link? No, on the left hand side, you have Sanket Molia,
This one,
DevOps
sir.
underscore Nginx.
Okay. With that tag
That,
name.
okay, say okay, just a second. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Docker push that complete command also you can copy.
Okay.
Copy and paste it for your reference in your Git bash. Just put a hash in the front and enter. Control A hash.
Oh, it
Hash.
is not taking control A for me. Hold on, sir. 1 minute. It has to be something like English.
Are you
Enter.
not are you not typing hash? Okay, you type hash only, right? Okay, sure. Now what you do is you go to a particular folder, that export DevOps folder. You have it here.
Okay.
Yesterday you created a Docker file. You see Docker images or Docker Docker PS. Just see Docker PS will show definitely
Mm-hmm.
containers, but you can do Docker images. Do one thing, CD export DevOps.
Okay, sir. CD export DevOps.
Okay. Go to all docs DevOps. Yeah, go inside and then you have a Scala Logic folder, right? Under October.
Yes, sir.
Go there.
Yeah.
Directly go inside. I actually.
Hello, good morning, everybody.
Yeah,
Good morning.
good morning. So Sanket has created a Docker Hub account. He is going to push it to the Docker Hub. Basically, we saw yesterday Docker pull, Docker run, Docker PS and all, right? So we are looking at how to push a container to a registry, Docker images to a registry. Okay, 14th October, enter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ls. Go to this one, Python. Just we will push Python images to ls. Can you open the Docker file? First of all, I want you to understand whatever we have written here is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can now create a Docker image out of this. You can create a Docker build. You can run a Docker build and then you can push it to your registry. Docker build and then Docker tag and then Docker push. Then the sequence of commands. Can you close this file and do a Docker images?
Sir, I should do Docker images, huh?
Yeah, Docker images. Basically, you're trying to see whether any images exist on your EC2 machine as of now. So you have
Okay.
a Python that is already correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, either you can use the same image or you can create a new image and that you can upload to your Docker Hub. Okay, we will see first creating a new Docker image, Docker build -t. So from your current directory, you can create a Docker image because based on the Docker file that you have, you can create a Docker build. You say Python dash dhub. So Docker Hub you can remove E. So we are just creating a image for pushing into Docker Hub. Okay, space dot. So we are building a Docker image based on the Docker file that we have locally. That means dot means from the current directory.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, can you enter? This will create an image. You can just do a Docker tag. Can you do a Docker control or Docker push? Enter. Use up arrow.
Arrow.
One more up arrow. Yeah. What you can do is Docker tag. You can just remove the build -t. Yeah, Docker tag. Uh, your your Docker image that you created, right? You give that particular name.
Image that I have created that particular name.
Yeah, and then in the end you give your Sanket Molia slash Docker
Okay.
engine.
So my image name is Docker Python
Yeah.
underscore d hub space then this one. Is it like this, sir?
Yeah. So instead of tag name, you just say
First Docker container.
you just simply say first underscore DC.
Okay. It is entered, sir.
Okay. Simply use up arrow and remove only the local Docker image. Come back. No, no, don't remove it. Don't remove all this. Don't remove all this. No, no, no. You need to copy paste. This will not come back. You just select only the words that you deleted and then do a right click. Otherwise, you type it.
Yes, sir.
Use a left arrow.
Okay.
Come towards yeah. Remove the Python underscore dhub and tag also. Just do a say Docker push. Yeah, you already have a Docker. Just space push. So this will automatically go to your particular registry. Yeah. Since you already logged in, this will automatically go to your Docker registry.
Okay.
Can you go to your Docker registry and refresh? You will see the latest image that you pushed.
Here only the DC.
Yeah. So it's similar to that. You can create multiple Docker images and push it. You can also create multiple uh, Docker Hub. Docker Hub.
Mm-hmm.
Multiple repositories you can create, and you can push multiple images also.
Got it, sir.
Got it, right? You can also do a Docker pull from here.
Okay.
So you can say Docker run.
Now I should say Docker run.
Yeah, use up arrow first. First use up arrow.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Instead of push, just say Docker run. Uh, space
Run.
space dash D. No. Here itself. Be here.
Mm-hmm.
After
Dash.
run dash D. Uh, dash D for Delhi.
Okay.
Space dash IT dash P. You are giving the port number. What what port it should be exposed. 8081. You give a space character so that it is clear. 8081 colon 80. So this will automatically pull this particular image from there, and then it will run it. You don't need to pull it. It will automatically pull it and run it for you. Enter.
Okay. But this is a pull down.
Huh?
Is it pull now?
So when you do a Docker run, if the image is available, it will automatically pull and run it.
Mm-hmm.
Do a Docker PS, you will see the Python which is running. So now you can do a curl localhost colon 8081, or you can access IP address directly from your this one. It will say hello world for you. Yeah, you can see the hello world. So basically, you don't have any local Docker images, but you are pulling it from your Docker registry directly.
Got it, sir.
Can you just guide Akshay to do this? It's a pretty simple step. Try to
Mhm.
help Akshay. If you are stuck anywhere, I'll help you.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Akshay, can you share your screen?
Yes, sure.
Okay, actually, first you go to and create one Docker account.
Okay, so how do I create it?
You created already. Okay, now you have to go to hub.docker.com.
No. Okay. How do I create it?
Not here. You go to browser first.
Mhm.
Here, access the URL, which is hub.docker.com. I have dropped in chat as well for you. Yeah. So click on sign in. You can use continue with Google so that it will quickly happen. Select your choice of account and I can continue. Now you have to provide the username. It should not contain a special character and all. Give your another name, second name as well. Okay.
Sign up.
Click on sign up. Yeah. Now you signed up. Go to right hand side on your profile. Click on A and edit. Go to what is for me? It came here. Okay, account setting. You go.
Just a second.
Yeah. Okay. So now you have to set the password. Okay. Click on the reset password. Scroll down a little bit. You see there your account name, email address, and then password.
Yeah. Sorry, Sanket.
Yeah,
I
it's
got
okay. Yeah, please,
just a call.
no problem. Yeah, please scroll down a little bit. Yeah, not too much. Little go up. So you see there in the top your account name and then email address and the password. Okay, so password that we haven't set as of now. It is taken its own, and you can click on reset password so that it will trigger to reset password link to your email address. Okay, only one time is fine. It is already go up, scroll up. You'll see here your reset password has sent to email address. So access your email account that you have registered, then reset your password.
Yeah, I got the email.
Yeah, you do the reset password over there. Provide a new password of your choice.
Back to Docker app, is it?
Yes, yes. Okay, now we will create a repository. Okay. Um,
Okay.
a repository. You see top, you are already on the repository tab. and below you click on create repository. The first option below, yeah, after download, yeah. So you provide the repository name that for your choice. You can give it like DevOps Nginx. I have dropped in the chat to keep it similar across our class.
This one.
Yes, this one. Just now I dropped.
Okay.
Leave it public only. Click on create now. Okay. You see now on the right side, your you see now your repository has been created and which is on a public view now, right? So you can copy paste this entire right side. There is a link, right? Docker push complete command.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copy and paste it in the terminal. Huh?
Yeah. Now go to your terminal where access your yesterday created instance, EC2 instance. Is it on or it is shut down yesterday?
I just stopped it.
Stop it, right?
I will
So
refresh.
start it now.
Start.
Okay. Now access this EC2 instance from your Git Bash platform. You can type ls where you are having here direct login.sh. You can execute that one so that it will automatically log in. /direct control A. So hit enter. Yeah, you can proceed with typing yes. Now you are accessed the EC2 instance. So from here, hold on, please. I also okay. What you can do is that type hash. Okay.
Hash.
Yeah. And right click the one you copied right that time from the Docker Hub your repository link. So just paste it and we will keep it for later. Right click. Okay, and hit enter.
Yes.
No, I do not having I'm not unable to recall exact steps further on. That's the request to sir.
Open your window and see, no, if possible. Just scroll up and see.
Okay, we can do that one. For that, you go to a folder which is yesterday we have created, right, under export to DevOps.
Folder.
Yeah, yesterday we have created on not here, in the EC2 mission itself. Go to export DevOps. It is already being created yesterday. CD
Oh,
infinity symbol. Backward slash and export. Okay, yeah, forward slash, correct.
forward slash.
Yeah, for export tab and DevOps. Okay.
Enter.
Yes, please. Now, go to the repository, which is Scholar Logic. Again, do ls. Yeah, go into that repository, and from there you will find out the Scholar Logic. Okay, October 2024. Better go and tab.
Yeah.
And the capital S and tab.
Capital.
Yeah, Scholar Logic. Go into the Scholar Logic. Already went. Okay.
Yeah.
Then again, go into there is October 14 is there, I think so. Check there is ls you do and yeah.
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah, 14 October.
Can I go to Python folder?
Python folder.
I basically want you to use the existing Docker file and create a Docker image out of it and push it to the Docker registry.
Your line is like breaking to me, sir.
Oh, my line is breaking.
Now it is fine, sir. Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Please repeat.
Okay. Do a Docker images. Docker images.
App doesn't work, is it?
Docker images will show you all the images list created for your local file system. You have Nginx, you have Python, right? The Python image that you created yesterday, which is containing some sequence of steps that you can actually run it on any machine as long as you pull that Docker container, pull that Docker image. So similar to that, we'll create a new image today that we can push it to the Docker registry. Can you do? So did you create this Docker image yesterday?
Yeah, we did create, sir. Yes.
Okay. Do ls. So
Docker.
you have Docker file. If you want to just have a look at the Docker file, just quickly do a cat and then see what is there in this file. So basically, it has from which image you are pulling, first line. After that, you have a work directory. After that, what you are copying to the work directory, and then you have installation of some of the packages on the Docker image and then exposing port 80 and then setting the env variable and running the Python script. So this the whole thing in the Docker image that we are building, we are doing. If you can do a Docker build -t. See, it is nothing but you are giving a tag name. Yeah. You can say, wait. You can say, you have to give a tag name. So you can say Akshay underscore Python. You already did a Docker login, right? Yeah, enter now. Enter.
I did, sir.
Sorry, okay. You missed a dot in the end. Sorry. Use up arrow. You're just saying use a current folder for the Docker file. So Docker build command will always refer to the Docker file
Mhm.
in a particular location. Now you have to say in the dot in the end, dot, space dot. Yeah, that is. So now
One that-
you'll be built. You do a Docker images, you will see the
Python failed. Sorry.
okay. Open the Docker file, run space Docker file. You have a wrong entry over there. D capital. Yeah, just X, press X. No, escape, U, X. Simply X. X will delete one character. Escape and save the file. Escape and save the file. Now do use up arrow. Yeah, run it. So it will create a build for you and then it will create an image for you and save it. Docker images. Yeah, you can see that Akshay underscore Python image is created, right? Now you can do a Docker tag. Docker tag. Akshay underscore Python, you can just copy paste. No, right. Space. Just copy paste your Docker registry, your private Docker registry.
This one?
Yeah, without the Docker push command. Yeah, just copy paste over there. Change tag name to remove whatever extra characters that are coming. Yeah, give a space in the instead of tag name, you say something. Your first DC or something. No space, no capital letter, all small letter. Keep it all small. No, with a dollar. Sorry, with no space with the colon.
Okay.
After that, don't give a space. After first, don't give a space character. Use either dash or underscore something. That is also okay. Okay, fine. So you're adding a tag for the repository the image that you created. Did you do a Docker login?
No. Yes, sir.
No,
No.
Docker
Sir,
login from your command line. Just put a control A hash control A.
Here itself, controller.
Yeah, control A. hash, enter. So we can reuse this command. Do a docker space login. Docker space login. Now you have to enter the username that you created while creating the Docker Hub account. Give the password. Okay, login succeeded. Now use up arrow twice. Yeah, Control A, remove the hash. Yeah, enter. You're basically adding a tag for the local image to the remote image. Use up arrow. No, just once, just once. Yeah, just go all the way left. Remove Akshay underscore Python and tag also. Do a Docker. Instead of tag, just do push. Just give a push. Yeah, so we are basically pushing our image to the your registry, your private registry or your public registry. Enter.
Push.
You are pushing from your EC2 machine to the this one Docker registry. Can you go back to your Docker Hub? Docker Hub and see refresh it once. You will see a new image which is coming. Come. Or on the right hand side, can you see exactly where it is? Your Docker. Okay. Is it not there? Can you go back to
Repository.
yeah, repositories, yeah. Go there. Come down. Okay, yeah, it is there. It is there on the left hand side. There is a tag, right? Yeah, it is there. Now what you do is go back to your git bash. Use up arrow. And instead of push, just come back. Instead of push, say docker, yeah, run space dash D, D for Delhi, space dash IT, space yeah, I think it is okay. Okay, dash P. You have to give a port number in which you want to access this particular 8081 space 8081 colon 80 8081 colon 80. Basically, 8081 is your host port. 80 which is there, that is container port that is already having a definition of port number 80. 80 80. Yeah, enter. So this will automatically run the Docker container on a local machine. Now do a Docker PS. You will see one container started in the last 20 seconds. 9 seconds. Yeah. So now you can do a localhost colon 8081. Or you can copy the IP address of the machine and put it in the browser and colon 8081. Curl curl. Curl is nothing but a command line browser. Localhost colon 8081. 8081. So this will give you output like hello world. The same thing you can do it from console also. Enter.
Enter.
You can
Hello.
see on the left hand side, you can see hello world. You can run it from your browser also. Copy paste the IP address from EC2 instance. Can you go to EC2 instance? Yeah, just copy the IP address. Yeah, just put it in the browser, colon. Put it in the browser, colon, 8081. Enter. Okay.
Hello.
This will close running multiple containers, creating a Docker Hub, pushing to Docker Hub, pulling from Docker Hub, everything is done. We'll move on to Kubernetes from next class.
Okay, awesome. So
Sure.
is this chargeable, sir? GitLab. That's all.
No, that is free.
Okay.
Sure, okay. Thank you. For next 2 days, please join at the right time. We'll try to finish it up as soon as possible. The complete list
Yes.
for
Yes.
DevOps, because it's been more than 2 months.
2 months. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.